So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time when you opening the Rockstar's launcher, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you have to follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, the step 1 is set automatic date and time, and this is the very important. Wrong system time can block Rockstar login. Do this. First, go to settings, then time and language, then date and time. Turn on set time automatically, set time zone automatically. Click sync now. This fixes login or authentication errors instantly. Then close Rockstar completely. Open Task Manager and Rockstar Launcher or Social Club and delete cache files. For deleting cache files, press Win plus R and delete. Then restart PC. Must do after all changes. Then run as administrator. Right click launcher and run as admin. And after this, you have to disable firewall temporary. Turn off firewall and open launcher. When you applying these steps, your problem will be solved. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.